Hello, it's James from the Clever Car Collection, and today I'm very pleased to show you this. It's our fantastic 2014 Vauxhall Mokka. It's got a great history. It's been very well looked after by its previous owner, and I'm going to show you around it in this video so you know exactly what to expect when you come to see it. Let's take a look. Right, let's take a good look around this brilliant Vauxhall Mokka. Great little SUV this. This one's got loads of specification. Front and rear parking sensors, DAB radio, leather interior, all sorts, which I'm going to show you in a moment. But firstly, I just want to have a little walk round. I'm going to show you any marks I've spotted so you know what to expect when you come down and see it. As you can see, it's really clean. 61,000 miles, just over. Lots of services. This car will come with a full safety check by my independent workshop. For its before the new owner takes delivery. It's going to have a new 12-month MOT for your peace of mind and mine, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. So, last service on this was actually in May 24. They had 2 new tyres on it on the front there, good quality ones, Continentals, and a service. There's lots of, you can see loads of tread still left on these. I'm sort of seeing my fingers right in there. Just show you the wheels. I mean, a couple of marks, but they look pretty good to me. Let's walk down the side here. There's a slight dent in the rear there. Can you see it just here? A little, tiny little dent there. Can you see it? And just walking down this side. Show you this wheel. Continentals again, loads of tread. Round the back, slight mark on the plastic there. Those rear parking sensors. So look from afar. Again, another set of Continentals here. Lots of tread. This is a close up of the wheel. I haven't actually seen any marks down this side that I could point out to you. Hopefully you can see that in the video there. And then this wheel. And again, loads of tread on the tyres there. Like I say, they've just been replaced. So, look across the bonnet. A couple of minor, oh no, that's just dust. That's just dust. Actually looks very, very good condition, that. And then around the front, nothing of note. No marks on the windscreen, and roof all looks good too. Right, let's jump inside, take a look. We'll have a quick look inside. Find the key in my pocket. I say keys. 2 keys come with this car, as you can see. I'll just start it up so you can see there's no warning lights. Let it run for its cycle. Turn the aircon down. There you go, all good. Just the handbrake and me not wearing a seatbelt. So on this side we've got loads of nice extras. Radio, including DAB. Turn it on first. Oh, hang on, press the wrong button. It's that top one. There's FM, and there's DAB, and AM, which you can cycle through. Turn that back off again. You've got aux in on this, and you can plug in via USB too. There's dual zone climate control, heated front seats. Not that you need those today because it's summer. There is also a heated steering wheel, which is a very nice little extra. On here we've got cruise control. This is on the steering wheel, and on this side some controls for your stereo and the Bluetooth. Electric windows all round, powered mirrors and automatic headlights. So I'm going to turn it on to now, which is always handy to have. In this car you get 2 glove boxes, 1 2, and they're the locking wheel nuts. And as you know, this is an automatic gearbox. Well, let's have a quick look at the history. So, history-wise, we've got a nice wad of information here. Lots of nice receipts. This is the V5, so you know I've got it. This one is the most recent service, which was on the, where is that? 20th of May. They had those 2 new front tyres and a service, oil and filter changes. This car will have a independent safety check, as I pointed out in this video, and it will come with that new MOT, but loads of history there. And the service book has got loads of stamps. This is actually very impressive in terms of the numbers it's got from main dealers. So we've got stamps here, I'll just show you so you can actually see them. Stamps here for main dealers at 2015, 2016, 27, 2018 and 2019. Independent service in 2020 and 21. Again at Vauxhall main dealer last year at 51,000 miles, and then it was serviced, as you know, in May 24. So this car, as I say, has covered 61,000 miles. It's in really good condition. Hopefully this video has given you an idea of what it's going to be like when you come here to see it. I'm James at clevercarcollection.com. If you want to email me, you can find our website clevercarcollection.com, and please take a moment to have a look at our reviews. They're really important to us. Have a look on my Auto Trader retail store, where you'll see 5-star service is what we're all about here at Clever Car Collection, and I very much look forward to giving you that service too. Thanks very much for watching. Hope this has been useful, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye.